Aloha, I'm Evan Garces, your trusted Maui real estate expert. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or just exploring the Maui market, I want to be your trusted resource. If you have any questions, big or small, I'm here to help and I want to get those answers for you. You can find my contact info right here. I'll put it up on the screen, and you can also find it below in the description. And if you're new here, please do me a huge favor and like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss any Maui property tours, market updates, and pretty much anything to do with Maui real estate. Now, let's dive into what you came for and take a tour of this incredible property.
This home is the very desirable Kahili Plan 9. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and approximately 1,663 square feet of living space.
One of my favorite features of this kitchen is how seamlessly it opens up into the living room, creating a natural flow that's perfect for entertaining. With sleek Korean countertops and updated appliances, this space is both stylish and functional, making it the heart of this home. This living room is the perfect space connecting the awesome outdoor area with the kitchen. The 9-foot ceilings and natural light make it feel bright, open, and spacious, ideal for relaxing or entertaining. The primary bedroom is a true retreat. With direct access to the backyard, you even get a peek at Haleakala, making this the perfect blend of comfort and natural beauty. The primary bathroom is a great ensuite setup, featuring dual sinks for added convenience and a private toilet area for extra privacy. It's a functional and stylish space that perfectly complements the primary bedroom. Having 3 bedrooms gives you so much flexibility. This 3rd bedroom could be a cozy guest room, a productive home office, or even your own private workout space. It's all about what fits your lifestyle. And that just about wraps up today's property tour of this home at 152 Lahai Lane. I just want to thank you very much for joining us today and joining us on this property tour. And if you have any questions, big or small, regarding Maui real estate, please don't hesitate to reach out. I want to be your Maui real estate resource. I'll put my contact info here, and I'll also put it down below in the description. And if you enjoyed watching today's video and today's property tour, please like and subscribe for more content just like this. Otherwise, I hope you all have a great 2025. Aloha.